For a pleasant and comfortable feeling in your own home, there is one decisive factor: the right temperature. Underfloor heating offers a comfortable room climate and optimal heat transfer. Highly efficient, fast-reacting underfloor heating systems do not only save energy but also protect our environment, because climate protection has long been a central topic in heating. Therefore, electricity is an energy carrier of the future, because it is both universally applicable and regenerative to manufacture. As a result, new technologies and fields of application are constantly being developed, in which electricity supplies the required energy. Thanks to the system energy, heating with electricity now becomes an efficient and economical option. Energy is a demand heating system that adapts to everyday life at the touch of a button, by combining innovative heating elements with self-regulating intelligent cables. Since overheating of the floor is no longer possible with the system energy, it is suitable for all floor coverings and scores with its low installation height and high load capacity. An energy underfloor heating can be installed in no time. The direct and simple energy supply guarantees quick heating. The system is economical, both in terms of investment and consumption, because energy is more than underfloor heating. Energy is a complete heating system.